Good day everyone, and today we will discuss the ethical dilemmas and impact of technology based on the videos Dr. Google and Real Doctor and our technology of our future. The first ethical dilemma shown in the video is health misinformation. Many people rely on Google for medical advice instead of consulting professionals, which can lead to wrong self-diagnosis, unsafe treatments, and delayed medical care. The second dilemma is over-reliance on technology, which results in human detachment because information is instantly available. Many people ignore the expert opinion and lose of critical thinking and personal interaction. The third concern is privacy risk, since searching of or sharing health concerns online may expose personal information that could be misused. This dilemma shows that while the technology helps us, using it without proper thinking can harm us.
To support this study shows that online medical misinformation widely can influence people to make unsafe health decisions. Research also shows that many internet users find it hard to identify which health information is trustworthy. Now, comparing the two videos of Dr. Google versus Real Doctor. Dr. Google focuses on medical misinformation and highlight the importance of consulting professionals instead of fully relying on the search engine. And while technologies and our future talks about the bigger picture, how technology is changing human behavior, values, communication, and opportunities for the future. Both videos shows that technology is powerful and helpful but also risky if used without awareness and responsibility.
Positive and negative impacts of technology. Technology has many positive impacts on individual and society. It gives us access to information, improves communication, enables online learning, and makes services like telemedicine possible. However, there are also negative effects, like misinformation can lead to panic, wrong decisions, and harmful behavior. Too much technology can reduce human interaction, create dependence, affect mental health, and expose personal data. We can say that technology is not problem, and but
To ensure responsible and critical use of technology, we propose two realistic solutions. First, improve digital literacy, especially in schools and communities. We must teach people how to verify information, check trusted sources, and avoid fake or harmful content. Second, platforms should strengthen, protect against misinformation, and improve data privacy. This includes stricter filtering of fake medical advice, official labels on trusted sources, and better protection of personal information. In conclusion, technology shapes our future, but we must use wisely. We should stay informed, think critically, and never replace human expertise, especially in serious areas like health. Thank you for listening.